Well, my people, Dancehall Skilla there again, Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, now I got information that at least 6 persons had been killed and more than 24 persons had been hospitalized when a man opened fire at people during a 4th of July parade that had been held within a place that is known as Highland Park, that is located somewhere within the country that is known as United States of America. It is said that a person had been taken into police custody as a person of interest. However, it is said that the police are doing their investigation before they can declare if the person is a suspect or if the person is not a suspect. So it is said that the person is a person of interest. According to information that I got, it is said that the person who is said to be the person of interest who had been taken into police custody goes by the first name of Robert. It is said that Robert is in his 20s, and it is said that police in North Chicago spotted Robert motor vehicle near Buckley Road and US Route 41 and tried to conduct a traffic stop, but Robert fled the scene. You see me? It is said that North Chicago police called for reinforcements and Robert motor vehicle was stopped about 6 miles away from a certain location within the United States of America. See, it is said that he was taken into police custody without an incident. You see, and charges were pending Monday evening as police continue to do their investigation when it comes down to the whole situation. See, yeah, it is said that the shooting happened sometime about 10 a.m. or before or after 10 a.m. on Monday, the 4th of July, the year 2022. You see, it is said that authorities said that the gunman opened fire from a nearby roof using a high-powered weapon or using a high-powered rifle. Now, this whole situation is considered as a mass shooting, viewers and subscribers, and for something like this to happen in United States of America on the 4th of July caused quite a number of celebrations to come to an end earlier than expected. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and that's according to information that I got. But me just tell you what I go on, and here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.